Yeah, everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I just want to remind you, we are less than 1 week away from Terrell Whitlatch's virtual workshop on how to draw the Triceratops. Now, Terrell is one of the top creature designers in Hollywood. She's an amazing artist, wonderful background in science, paleo art, all of that, and we are so lucky to have her this Saturday, July 11th and 12th on Sunday, 2 days for a virtual workshop on how to draw the Triceratops. She's done a series of dinosaur drawing workshops with us, and this is the latest in that. They've been incredibly popular, and if you want to get more information, go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live. And I want to remind you, if you want to tune in live, that's great. If you can't make it, you can watch it in replay, but only if you pre-register. So like I said, go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live and get your ticket to watch Terrell Whitlatch for 2 days on teaching you how to draw the Triceratops. She's going to take you through the anatomy. She's going to take you through bone structure, musculature, the skin covering, markings, different poses, all kinds of great things. All 2 days, Triceratops. It's all dinosaurs, all weekend. It's going to be great. So go on over, once again, creatureartteacher.com/live and register now. Thanks.